Hi guys, this is Sam from uberdrivernow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to edit or change your Uber driver profile in the Uber driver app, and basically show you guys also which fields you can change yourself and which fields you would have to contact support for. So with the app open, just tap on your profile photo on the top right hand corner right here, and then you're going to tap on account, and then you'll tap on edit info. Now here the fields that you can change are phone number, password, and your address. And as far as anything else goes, you have to contact support for the rest of the information, such as email, or obviously first and last name you probably won't be able to change because that's obviously, but that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and to my channel, and there's a lot more useful content to come in the future. And you can tap on the other videos on the screen to check out my other content on the channel. Take care and see you next time.